introduce a research tool from CUSABIO. So this is our CUSABIO website. We have a technical resources section, and in this section you can find the research tools. In the research tools, we provide you different tools for the research. Today, I want to give you an introduction about the DNA or protein repeat sequence finder tool. So let me show you one example. I have a DNA sequence that I saved before. Let me paste it here. Okay, so it looks like this, and we can quickly analyze the sequence. For the analysis, so this is nothing, it's kind of like a very convenient to search for the, or screen out the repetitive fragment that exists in this sequence. And based on the analysis result here, you can find that actually there are two repeat sequences. And the first repeat sequence is highlighted in red, and the second repeat sequence is highlighted in yellow. And also, you have an option here. So the minimal repeat sequence that I set here is 10, but you can change, based on what you want. But this is a very helpful tool to screen out the repetitive fragment or repetitive sequence during your research. And what I have here is the DNA sequence, right? But definitely you can put the protein sequence here and use this finder tools to find the repeat part.